All right, family. It has been another couple days since we put the curtains up, but life is life, but I'm still good. I have taken the chair covers off, and typically this is my normal routine because I am setting up for early fall, you guys. I'm changing the chair covers. We will be changing these tables out because this coffee table is still way too bulky for the space. And I'm setting it up in stages. There's my rug. And I am debating if I want the rug to be more over this way, coming till it just makes it under the edge of the chair. I actually need to get these floors redone, because once I get the floors redone and restained, because I'm telling you guys, hardwood is gorgeous, but to me this is the old style hardwood that always gives you that orange hue. And I wonder why my camera looks foggy. We're going to be changing that out as well. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, but continue to share the channel with your friends, your family, and anybody you come across. Tell them become a part of our family. If you watching a platform, you'll see that all of the channels are getting a little slight makeover. This will stay. I got stuff in here. This is the tote to take down the curtains for the kitchen because it's going to change next. So with that being said, I'm going to get my tripod. We're going to prop up. I'm going to put my chair covers on and put this rug down. And with my rug, you guys, it's an 8x10. Now, I ordered this from Amazon. I've had it probably 8 months. So, I'm going to do the 8. From the 8 is going to go this way, and the 10 is going to go long ways. But I do know, looking at it, my lamp should come this way. Hey guys, I am in the house and this is what I'm talking about for the storm there. I'm looking out my window. Now this angle, can you see the magnitude of how these trees are blowing? Let me zoom in for you to see clearly. There we go. It just slacked up the rain, but it is not letting up. And I hope you can tell this way with all of the debris that's actually in the road. But I'm telling you guys, we just keep getting hit storm after storm after storm after storm. We still protected. We are protected. And this what you see is it's on the outside of like the watermarks on the outside of the window from the rain, which we're gonna clean that up after the fact. But with that being said, let's get back in here. Let's take it back. Now, because I'm doing this solo dolo, here's my option. I laid the chair down. I gotta put the cover on the front legs like there, and let me zoom it in. See the leg right there? I gotta put that over. Once I get this one with the chair cover over the legs, so I'm gonna stand that one up on this side so that I can actually finagle the couch so that I don't bundle all of my rug up, because it's like I'm kind of sort of working against myself. I actually need at least a help. I need one person so I can get this on, lay that rug out, then just pick the chair up and put it where it goes. But when you are an interior designer, interior decorator, home decor enthusiast, or whatever, and you do a lot of projects, especially in your home solo, you just have to figure out what it is that you need to do and how you need to do it. So that is the plan. You see the rug here, and I turned the rug because on this side here it had more green, and on this side you see we got a vast amount with the gray, and that's okay because we are bringing the green into space, because this rug has 3 different types of green, plus gold, plus copper, plus cream, plus white, plus gray. You guys, I can utilize many different colors in this space, which my hunter green stools I left in the storage. It is Stormy. I'm gonna go get dinner. I'm gonna go get me some. It's after lunchtime, you guys. It's about, what time is it actually? Oh, it's 12 o'clock. It's already lunchtime, but around 2 o'clock, I'm gonna go get me some. That'll be my lunch and my dinner. I'm gonna stop and put the gray stools in the storage and pull out the green ones, because as you can see, I am playing with colors, and at this stage I'm thinking I could have mixed the hunter green curtains in with the sage green. We may do that still. I'm gonna pull them out and see. And you see that copper color? You can mix them. That's why I'm gonna utilize gold in this space. Because of that, I'm gonna change this out, then change my sconces. And I do have to go, I do know what I'm putting here. It's gonna be my longer pictures, and I have 3 of those, but they are in the storage. You guys, I may just bring you this living room tour with my other gold sconces so I can wrap this room up. I may do that. So, but with that being said, we finna work this out. what I did at this juncture, you guys, I made sure that on the back, my covers were still under the foot, like you can see here. I'm gonna zoom it in. See right there how that's coming. I'm gonna catch that. I put the chair in and the chair cover. That whooped my tail. That took me 20 minutes. 20 whole minutes, and I typically can do that in about 4 or 5 total. But it's my hands. I took my brace off so I can have a little more use with my hand. And as you can see here, this chair here is underway.